today we are going to study a very interesting topic, that is sequence and series. As we all know, nature has given us a very beautiful world in which each and everything always have a pattern. Okay, so we are going to study one of that pattern in the numbers also. Let us see. So if we have numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, yes, you have already studied about this type of series. This is known as even numbers. So what's the new in this? What you are going to teach, sir? So I am going to teach you a different pattern. What are the depth of this pattern? So in this pattern, as you can see that the difference between the consecutive number is 2 and the consecutive number is also 2. So these type of series or sequence in which the difference is common. Yes, the difference is common. That is known as common difference. Okay, if any sequence has a common difference, then that sequence is known as arithmetic progression. So students, we are going to study one such sequence today, that is arithmetic progression. Okay, so let us do some more questions to understand it more better. Okay, so I will be giving you certain questions. You all have to identify whether the series is in AP or not. It's a very simple thing. Just keep in mind, we have to take out the difference, and if the difference is common, then we will say it the sequence is in AP. Yes, correct, the sequence is in AP. So let us take the very first question. 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 3, and so on. Okay, so identify whether the sequence is in AP or not. So let us see, students. First of all, I would like you all to try. Okay, give your answers quickly in the comment box. I will be counting till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The time is over. Now let us see whether the sequence is in AP or not. So 5 by 2 minus 2, that will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 3 minus 5 by 2. Okay, again the difference is 1 by 2. So now students, as we can see, the difference is common, so the sequence is in AP. Yes, the sequence is in AP. Correct. This sequence is in AP because of the common difference. Now let us take another sequence and check whether it is in AP or not. So the sequence is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, comma, minus 5.2, comma, minus 7.2, and so on. So again, students, quickly your answers in the comment box. Yes, I am going to give you only and only 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So great. Let us check whether this sequence is in AP or not. So we have to again take out just the common difference, just subtract. So minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, which will be equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2, which will be equal to minus 2. Good. Again minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, which will be equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2, and again the answer will be minus 2. Yes, students, as we can again see, the common difference is minus 2. So again this series is in AP. Yes, correct, the sequence is in AP. Excellent. Okay, now let us quickly solve another question. I hope you are getting the questions easily. Now you can easily identify what is an AP. Okay, so let's take a question. If we have a sequence 2, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay, again students, quickly take 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let us check. So we will again take out the difference. Second minus first, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, third minus second, and as we can see 7 minus 5 is 2. So 3 is not equal to 2. That means the difference is not common this time. Yes, the difference is not common. So what we can do? That means this sequence is not in AP. Not in AP. Yes, not in AP. So I hope that you all are getting this question, okay, and you can easily identify the AP sequence. So for more such videos, let's meet soon.